Alright, so today I'm checking on the bird feeders. Alright, so it looks like none of the birds went after this one. And the only thing that I have in it was a leaf. So then over here, let's check the apple one. Let's see. I don't know, it doesn't really look like anything pecked at it. Next, over to the voodoo one. Let's see. I don't think doesn't really look like anything pecked at it, so. Ooh, look at this cool stick I found. Giant branch. Yeah. And, where was the other one? Oh yeah, the pine cone one. There's a pine cone feeder. So, here it is. Doesn't look like anything pecked at it, really. I'm not sure though. Wire. Then this one doesn't look like anything pecked at it either. So, yeah. I've been unsuccessful so far. This is day 1. Ooh. Also, I have another question. What? Oh, ow, fuck. Sorry, tripped over something. What should I do with these bamboo stuff? Yeah, what should I do with those? Bye. Barefooted to gym. I don't know. Wait, how do I make it look like? There we go. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. It's a gym. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. Alright, bye.